We are having a strategic plan with the Eastern Cape Rural Development Agency here in East London today. The purpose is to look at what they are doing and review the processes of implementing the programs of the department. In the main, we want them to focus more on commercialization so as to grow the economy of this province and also enhance their work as agriculture to enhance rural development, ensure pure and perfect and efficient governance in the entity inside so that at least their audit opinion has improved. You can only succeed in doing so by ensuring that your plans are implemented. So we emphasize more on implementation, ensure that every time, whatever we do, we are eradicating poverty permanently. The importance of this session is to ensure that, one, the entity understands their role and the mandate, and two, strengthening partnership for both the stakeholders, municipalities, other departments, and the private sector will at least assist in ensuring that this work is taken forward.